Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Netflix download stock. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to try to do is simply go ahead and force close and reopen your Netflix application. That should fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't fix your problem, try to turn your device completely off and at least 10 seconds turn that back, and then it will fix your problem. There might also be a new update which would be interfering for this problem. So go to your App Store or Play Store and then simply go ahead and search for Netflix, just like that. Once you've done that, click on the application right over here, and if there is any updates available, it will say update instead of open. That is about it. The other thing you want to simply go ahead and try to do is clear cache, and in order to do so, open your App Store, click on your profile, and then click on personalized recommendations and clear app usage data. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.